In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar, a straightforward yet crucial skill for maintaining your schedule seamlessly across multiple platforms. Now, let's dive into the steps and guide you through the process. We'll start by heading over to Google Calendar, which you can easily access by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Once there, make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not, you'll be prompted to do so before proceeding. With the calendar open, look to the left side of your screen and click on Calendar. This section usually has all the calendars you might be subscribed to. From here, turn your attention to My Calendars and click on it. This will expand the list and show you all the calendars you own or have access to. Next, you will notice a small arrow, the keyboard arrow up icon. This allows you to access additional settings. Click on this arrow for more options. It may appear simplistic, but it's a gateway to customizing your calendar and ensuring it's set up exactly how you need it. After accessing the additional settings, click on Highlight. This is an important step as it lets you choose the specific calendar you want to connect and manage its settings appropriately. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. At this point, you're in the back end of your calendar where all the detailed settings are kept. Take a moment to explore if you're curious, but for now, let's focus on the next step. Within the settings, navigate to Calendar Settings. Here, you want to look specifically for the section that says Integrate Calendar. This part is essential because it contains all the links and information you'll need to integrate your Google Calendar with different applications or platforms. Once you find the Integrate Calendar section, you'll notice a link available there. It's crucial that you copy this link as it serves as the connective bridge to bring your Google Calendar into harmony with other apps. It functions like a key, unlocking connectivity capabilities. Finally, with the link copied, the last step involves adding it to the other app you're planning to use. The integration interface will have a designated spot where you can paste your Google Calendar link. Follow any prompts provided by the specific app to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to connect Google Calendar with another application, ensuring that your commitments and events are in sync across all your devices. Remember, maintaining synced calendars is a great way to keep your life organized and avoid double booking or missing out on important events. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.